I've named this car Justin Timberlake because it's bringing sexy back. Check this thing out. 1973 Barracuda with the white strobe stripe, the scooped hood, spoiler, lowered stance, wheels, colors, tinted windows. It's got a killer stereo. It's a number matched 340 with some go fast goodies on it, air conditioned, pistol grip, 4-speed. This thing's got some cool stuff going on. Go to volocars.com where you will find 200 of the best classic cars for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I actually sold this car 5 years ago to a really good repeat customer. He put the wheels in stereo and upgraded a few things. First of all, I can tell you the stance is lower. Just standing next to it, I can tell. But it's got the scooped hood. All of this up here is square, flush, beautiful, looking really nice. Looking down the side, it's like a mirror. There's no ripples or waves. All of this is beautiful. All real slick, all the way down here. Yeah, it's low. I got to bend down. See how the door shuts. Nice and solid. No vinyl top, just all beautiful, slick black paint. No rust, no damage. This paint's at least 5 years old because it was painted when I sold it to him. And my point is, it still looks like glass. So it's a good quality paint job. All this is slick and fits nice. The whole back panel is gloss black. The bumpers have been color matched and they're smooth. There's no bumper bolts showing. They fit the body real nicely. All of this is really slick, looking beautiful. Really nice paint job. All this is slick. The strobe stripe is a decal stripe. South Carolina car, and according to my notes from 5 years ago, it said that it's believed to have all the original sheet metal on the car. Got some chrome sport mirrors. The stainless moldings are not polished like chrome, but they're looking real nice. They're very good. Has a Cuda 340 emblem on each side. Plymouth emblem looks good. Same thing up front. Notice there's no bumper bolts, smooth bumper. All the grill, everything is all detailed up and painted. Gloss black, looking really nice. Original antenna. Windshield was probably replaced. The rest of the glass is good original. Light, typical light scratches. He had it tinted. He also added the wheels. They're BZOE, it looks like. Really sharp looking wheels, wider in the back than they are in front, and they are 18-inch in back. It might be 18s up front too. Just a smaller profile tire. Yeah, they're also 18-inch. Super sharp looking wheels. Spoiler. 344 barrel Cuda. Looking good. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more to show you. All right, we got some goodies in here. Under the trunk lid's painted up nicely, and the jam is slick. Weather strip looks real nice. But check out what we've got going on here. It's a complete shockwave stereo system, custom built box, subwoofers. I like the Cuda. It's got a clear panel so you can see through. Check out the amplifier. Kind of interesting to look at. And it has a matching one on that side there. Once we get inside, I'll show you the speakers and the system. You can also go to volocars.com to check out our inventory, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon, be notified as the new cars are posted. So door jambs are nice, weather strips are real nice. Door panels, I'm sure were replaced, are in excellent shape along with the armrest pad. You can already see a speaker and a tweeter combination in the door. Looks like the window cranks were replaced. The dash pad is in really nice shape. And then we have the Rallye gauges. This is original panel, still shows very nice. We did just replace the speedometer because that wasn't working, but as a tack and gauges, clock doesn't work. All the way across is very nice. Is the reverse light, which comes on 4-speed cars, the air conditioning vents. This is how you control the stereo. That's the whole system right there. up in the dash, and you can see them. There are shockwave tweeters up in the corners. Um, bucket seats, center console. Console's in real nice, looks like a reproduction. Pistol grip shifter, I love that. Such a cool feature. The seats, all nicely upholstered, looking good. And where's the button? There we go. Same thing in back, upholstery, side panels look real nice. You can see some shockwave tweeters. I'm sure there's 6x9 speakers in the rear shelf back there. And then looking up, the headliner looks nice. Has all the seat belts, including the original shoulder belts. Original visors, but they look good. New cushion grip Plymouth steering wheel. And I forgot to mention, also has upgraded vintage air heater control panel. It's electric instead of the old cables that are hard to push. So yeah, we got some tunes. We got a pistol grip shifter, Rallye gauges. What else do you need? So that's a 340 motor. It's actually the VIN number matching original motor for this car. When I bought it 5 years ago, I was told by that owner that he had the engine rebuilt. Not many miles were put on this car in the last 5 years either. Has an Edelbrock carb with electric choke, electronic Mopar ignition. You can see the whole engine bay was clean metal, painted up nice. I like the finned Mopar Performance valve covers. All tidy and proper looking. Alternator has a sticker on it still. Vintage air setup. Radiator and shroud looks good. Has an overflow bottle. And we do have power steering hiding way down there. Got a red top Optima battery. Power brakes as well. Wiper motor looks fresh. So the VIN number of the car is also stamped here. It's also stamped, I think, in the, it's up on the firewall. That is the VIN number of the car. So Michael's going to show you how it runs, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Looking super cool inside this Cuda. Man, I'm digging this thing. This black on black color combo. You got the hood scoops up there, and then you got the 4-speed pistol grip with the numbers matching 340 under the hood. I mean, this thing is just totally sweet. Really digging it. We got some inclement weather, lots of salt on our roads here, so this is our private test track. We do not salt the private test track, so we are good to go as far as that's concerned. Really nice stereo system in here. The seats are nice and comfortable. Everything's redone. Looks like all the gauges work on the dash. It does have air conditioning and power steering, power disc brakes up front, and yeah, it's a great car. It is lowered. We do have a little rubbing noise going on there on the sharp parts of the turn, but kind of comes with the territory. Let's give her a little punch here. That's a heck of a lot of fun. Boy, I sure hope we could. I sure wish I could have got this one out on the street to drive around. But yeah, just a great experience. Lots of fun. Come test drive it for yourself. Contact our sales department and check out all the details on volocars.com.
So I did notice the trunk is wrapped in a sound deadener. That will help eliminate some of that metal tinny vibration sound. So this car's never been like a rotisserie restoration. What you're paying for is the awesome good looks, the equipment, the 4-speed. Got a lot going on. Underneath is completely rock solid. The floors, frame rails all look really good. Looks like the steering and suspension was rebuilt. We just put new air shocks in the back. Nice sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. The fuel tank was replaced. Brakes have been gone through. Hoses look recent. Has drilled and slotted discs in the front. You look up at the motor, it's clean, and that matching VIN number is stamped right above the oil pan. You can see from underneath. We have pictures on our website. Has a high torque starter. Has an 833 4-speed transmission. That whole unit and shift linkage, all that looks nice and clean. 8 3/4 rear end and back with a sure grip gears. So really nice car overall. And man, this is going to turn heads. Just scroll through our website, see which car you stop at. Probably this one right here. It's a killer. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your Barracuda delivered to your driveway, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.